Welcome to Season 2. But they don't know it. There are 25 people, which means 5 teams, 5 members.
Hey, Dice,
What do you want, Disco?
I need your help doing this homework.
How did you pass college, man?
I'm so glad we're all green.
I'm not green. I never really told him about it. What just happened? I think we turned into the opposite of what we were. I think I know a guy who can help us. Hey, Maps.
What do you want?
We need your help changing back.
Fine, but get down from there.
Hey guys,